two powerhouse practice management tools for law firms, MyCase and PracticePanther. Which one really delivers? On the left, MyCase, all-in-one legal practice management ready out of the box. On the right, PracticePanther, customizable software for modern law firms. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what actually matters for your firm. We'll score each category, and by the end you'll have a clear winner for 2025. The result might just surprise you. Quick pause, let's map out what we're actually comparing so you get the full story. So first, pricing and plans, then core functionality, billing and payments, financial management, customization and automation, support and onboarding, mobile apps, user satisfaction and integrations. Sound good? Okay, let's get into it. So first up, pricing and plans. MyCase, it's really transparent. Like what you see is what you get. All the essential stuff is included in every plan, but some folks say the starting price can feel a bit high, and yeah, there's no totally free tier for dabbling. Now, PracticePanther throws in more variety. You get several packages, whether you're an ambitious solo or a mega law firm. Might be more affordable if you're just starting out. But watch out, some fancy features, they're locked behind those pricier plans or add-ons. So overall, PracticePanther takes it here. It's just a little more flexible for different budgets. Alright, core functionality. MyCase is kind of famous for packing in case management, billing, payments, and slick reporting right out of the box. Next day payments via LawPay, honestly, that's wild. Only catch, if you want like the super advanced stuff, you've gotta upgrade. PracticePanther though, it's got automation and a bunch of customization. Feels built for smaller firms that want things their way, but here's the deal. A lot of really useful features need extra subscriptions, plus their time tracking isn't quite as seamless. So in terms of all-in-one power, MyCase grabs the win for core features. Now for billing and payments. MyCase kind of blows it out of the water. You get automated time tracking, invoices you can tweak how you want, plus client financing, and next-day funds are honestly a lifesaver. PracticePanther does offer standard billing and invoicing you'll get by fine, but here's the not-so-fun part. It can actually take up to 5 days to get paid. No client financing either, which is kind of a bummer, honestly. So yeah, MyCase definitely comes in first for easy and fast billing. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know MyCase users say they've scaled their client base by like 10x and didn't have to hire extra staff? That's wild. If your growth is out of control, worth thinking about. Switching to financial management. With MyCase, you're getting real-time analytics, automated three-way reconciliation, like the kind of stuff that makes accountants cheer. No major cons here. PracticePanther does connect with accounting tools, but expense tracking feels more manual, and reconciliation is definitely more work. If you care about your numbers, MyCase is honestly just way smoother. Okay, let's talk customization and automation. MyCase gives you configurable workflows so you can shape things to fit your practice, but if you're the kind of lawyer who wants to dig deep and build dashboards exactly the way you want, well, PracticePanther is hard to beat. The UI is super flexible, automation is strong, but tiny catch, some of the more powerful features only show up in the really premium plans. Still, for sheer innovation and options, PracticePanther snags this one. Now, support and onboarding. So MyCase, honestly, their support team is top-notch. US-based, you can call, chat, email, and they do unlimited free training, plus a 24/7 knowledge center. That's a lot. PracticePanther won't leave you hanging. They offer support for all plans. But truth is, you get way better help with a higher tier, and live trainings are kinda limited unless you pay more. So in terms of real-life help for everyone, MyCase is the winner. Mobile apps, short and sweet. Both have full support for iOS and Android, so you can handle clients and cases from anywhere. No cons here, so honestly they both nail it. It's a tie. Let's move into user satisfaction. MyCase scores big for being all-in-one, and people love that it grows as your firm expands. Some wish the interface felt more modern or customizable. Now, PracticePanther, it's super loved for being easy to use and having a snazzy, modern layout. Small caveat, if you go for cheaper plans, some stuff might be missing. But overall, PracticePanther leads in user reviews just by a hair. Final round, integrations. MyCase covers all the basic legal integrations you'd actually need, but if you want to plug in lots of third-party apps, you might feel a bit boxed in. PracticePanther, though, it's kinda the king here. Tons of third-party connections, plus API and Zapier support. So for law firms that love connecting all their tools, PracticePanther is the champ. Alright, quick snapshot. Imagine a radar chart with all the stuff we just talked about: pricing, core features, billing, you name it. MyCase is spiking in all-in-one functions and support, while PracticePanther has peaks for customization and integrations. You can see right away where each one shines. So, big question, who's this for? If your law firm needs powerful management tools that just work and you want stellar support for scaling up, MyCase really stands out. But PracticePanther is perfect if your team wants maximum flexibility, deep automation, and integration with all your favorite apps. Both have killer mobile apps, both offer trials. It's just about what matters most for your firm. Alright, hope that helps. Compare the features with your team, test out those free trials, and honestly, bookmark this so you always get the latest in legal tech. See you in the next deep dive.